Tekken 60, episode 144. The ability to add multiple hyperlinks within one cell in Google Sheets. So, this is coming out pretty quickly after I received notice that I can do this, and Google likes to roll it out. So, if you can't do this yet, bookmark this video and come back to it when you can because it's pretty awesome and we've been waiting for it for a long time. So, I've got the spreadsheet over here and I've got my cell here, and you can see that in this cell I've got some text, and I highlighted that text and I inserted hyperlinks right here. And when it's available for you and you double click on any cell, the first time you do that, you're going to get this notification letting you know it's available for your domain. Pretty exciting that you can do that. It's as simple as inserting any hyperlink. So you double click on your text, you highlight the text you want to be hyperlinked. Like it says, you can click on insert link or the command or control K. I just click on this guy up here and choose whichever one that you want. So let's say it's a doc, I'll put it there. And I want to do this one, so we'll highlight this guy and we'll select the next item on the list. Sure, we'll do that one, apply. And if I really want to, I think I can even do a third one. So let's do that, and let's see if it gives me another one. Sure. And now I have three things applied in the same one. And when I click on this cell, or even just hover over this cell, so let's see, nothing's selected. I'm hover over this cell, and notice just by hovering over it, it's going to let me know the three items that are linked within this cell. Pretty awesome, pretty slick. Hopefully you get it very soon. If you don't already have it, check it.